Welcome to Optimal Cures. Life after 50 can be your strongest and healthiest chapter, if you know the right habits to build and bad ones to leave behind. Today we're diving into the top 10 health tips for men over 50 to help you thrive physically, mentally, and emotionally. Stay tuned for actionable advice and don't miss tip number 8. It's a game changer. So let's get started. 1. Prioritize heart health. After 50, heart health becomes even more critical as cardiovascular diseases remain the leading health risk for men. Keeping your heart strong is the foundation of long-term vitality. What should you focus on? Heart-healthy foods. Load up on salmon, almonds, flax seeds, and leafy greens like spinach. Exercise. Try brisk walking, jogging, or swimming 30 minutes a day. Monitor key metrics. Regularly check your blood pressure, cholesterol, and triglycerides. Here's a pro tip. Add garlic to your diet. It's been shown to help lower blood pressure naturally. 2. Strength training to maintain muscle. By age 50, you lose about 1 to 2% of muscle mass annually. Strength training is the key to preserving mobility, maintaining bone health, and boosting metabolism. So how should you get started? Lift weights, use resistance bands, or do body weight exercises like push-ups. Work all major muscle groups at least twice a week. Bonus tip. Strength training reduces your risk of falls as you age. 3. Eat nutrient-dense, anti-inflammatory foods. Inflammation is a silent driver of many chronic illnesses, including arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. An anti-inflammatory diet can help protect your body. Some best choices to use. Add colorful fruits and vegetables like berries, carrots, and bell peppers. Focus on whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats. Include spices like turmeric and ginger to naturally fight inflammation. Pro tip. Swap out refined sugar for natural sweeteners like honey or dates to avoid energy crashes. 4. Limit alcohol and avoid tobacco. If there's one habit to kick immediately, it's smoking. And when it comes to alcohol, moderation is key. Why it matters most. Tobacco smoking accelerates aging, increases cancer risk, and damages your lungs and heart. Excessive alcohol drinking can harm your liver, raise blood pressure, and contribute to weight gain. Here's a crucial action plan to use. Quit smoking entirely. Seek professional help or nicotine alternatives if needed. Limit alcohol to no more than 1 or 2 drinks per day, or consider going alcohol-free. Did you know? Within weeks of quitting smoking, your lung capacity begins to improve. 5. Prioritize joint health. Stiff joints don't have to be a part of aging. Keep your joints lubricated and protected through movement and proper nutrition. Some best practices. Exercise regularly with low-impact activities like swimming, yoga, or walking. Incorporate omega-3 fatty acids from fish, chia seeds, or walnuts to reduce inflammation. Take up stretching or Tai Chi to improve flexibility and balance. Pro tip to note, if joint pain is persistent, consult a doctor about supplements like glucosamine or chondroitin. 6. Regular health screenings save lives. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Routine screenings are vital to catch potential health concerns early. Here are crucial must-have screenings for men over 50. Prostate health. Get PSA, prostate-specific antigen, test to screen for prostate cancer. Colon cancer. Schedule regular colonoscopies, starting at age 50, or earlier if you have a family history. Bone density. Check for osteoporosis, especially if you've experienced fractures or have a lean frame. It's critical because early detection can improve treatment outcomes dramatically. 7. Stay mentally sharp. Aging gracefully includes keeping your mind as sharp as your body. Brain health can be boosted with simple, consistent habits. Here are some brain-boosting tips. Stay engaged socially. Strong connections improve mental health. Challenge your brain with puzzles, learning new skills, or reading. Eat brain-friendly foods like nuts, seeds, blueberries, and salmon. Did you know? Physical exercise also improves memory and brain function by increasing blood flow to the brain. 8. Manage stress and protect emotional well-being. Stress isn't just uncomfortable, it's dangerous for your health. High levels of stress can lead to heart disease, weight gain, and sleep disturbances. So how can you reduce stress? Practice mindfulness or meditation daily, even if it's just for 5 to 10 minutes. Schedule time for hobbies or activities that bring you joy, such as fishing, gardening, or playing music. Consider deep breathing exercises during moments of high stress. Pro bonus tip. Laughter truly is the best medicine. It lowers stress hormones and boosts endorphins. 9. Optimize your sleep. A good night's rest is one of the most underrated health tips, yet it's essential for recovery, mood, and even your immune system. Some simple sleep tips. Keep a consistent bedtime routine. Try reading, journaling, or a warm bath before bed. Avoid caffeine or heavy meals within 3 hours of bedtime. Reduce blue light exposure by turning off screens an hour before bed. It matters because poor sleep can lead to weight gain, cognitive decline, and increased risk of chronic diseases like diabetes. 10. Stay active and hydrated. Staying active and hydrated is key to keeping your energy levels high and your body functioning well. Some more activity tips. Mix it up and add variety to your workouts with strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises. Aim for 10,000 steps a day to keep moving, even on non-exercise days. Pro hydration hacks. Carry a water bottle everywhere as a reminder to sip throughout the day. Drink a glass of water before meals as it can aid digestion and curb overeating. A fun fact to note, dehydration can mimic symptoms of fatigue, so drink up to stay energized. 11. Support testosterone naturally. Bonus tip. After 50, testosterone levels naturally decline, but certain habits can support healthy levels. How do you boost testosterone naturally? Prioritize high-protein foods like eggs, lean meats, and lentils. Get enough zinc and magnesium from foods like pumpkin seeds and spinach. Engage in resistance training, which is known to boost testosterone production. Pro tip: avoid stress and get quality sleep, as both significantly impact hormone levels. So there you have it, the top 10 health tips for men over 50 to help you live stronger, healthier, and happier. Always remember, it's never too late to invest in yourself. Small, consistent changes can make all the difference in how you feel and function in the years to come. Conclusion. Which of these tips will you start applying today? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more life-changing health advice. At Optimal Cures, we're here to guide you toward a healthier future. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health, your remedy, your cure.